Hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will explain you about the ear speaker problem in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move toward the video. So, if your phone is having an issue regarding the ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker in your device, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can solve ear speaker problem in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. Let's watch the video.